So we have decided to go out today and do some shopping, but she's getting ready and she's getting ready from 8:30 और अभी 9:30 हो रहे हैं.
चलो ठीक है फिर मौसी.
ठीक है. So I think she is taking a lot of time and because of her we are getting late. But हाँ वो मुझे आँख दिखाती है, डराती है, डराती बहुत है आँखों से.
You have to take your mask. I was already ready. He had to change at least twice or thrice. Yeah.
कितना झूठ, कितना
You
झूठ.
changed twice.
बाप रे बाप यार, इतना झूठ तो कोई भी नहीं बोलता है यार.
Hi guys. So we're out today. Where are we going?
Where are we going? We don't know our destination yet. We don't know where we are going.
We have mummy with us and we are going out just for a drive. मौसम बहुत अच्छा है.
You should show them.
Yeah.
Show them the
Awesome.
drive.
And the drive is awesome.
Welcome to Authentic Marriage Diaries. This is Gautam.
And this is Nikita. And today we are here to talk about our first love language, that is quality time.
अब ये क्वेश्चन है कि क्वालिटी टाइम होता क्या है? क्वालिटी टाइम क्या होता है?
So quality time का मतलब है giving someone your undivided attention.
Yes, we have done some research on quality time. Giving someone undivided attention. Sometimes you don't. What happens is, शानू बात कर रही है मेरे से and I am using phone. क्या हुआ था आज स्कूल में? ऐसे हुआ था? अच्छा. I am working. I am dividing attention. So giving whole attention to your spouse is called giving undivided attention, right?
Yes, that's right.
अनडिवाइडेड अटेंशन देना क्यों ज़रूरी है मुझे समझ नहीं है. क्योंकि अगर देखा जाए तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, मैं तेरी बात भी सुन सकता हूँ, मैं अपना काम भी कर सकता हूँ, दो काम एक साथ हो रहे हैं, पर क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है?
Yeah, that's true. क्यों important है undivided attention? The thing is that when you both of you together, you and your partner, you sit together in a common pursuit, and this communicates that you care about each other and you like to spend time together, and this all together, spending time together with focused attention towards each other, इससे ये पता चलता है कि आप लोग एक साथ रहना पसंद करते हो, आप एक दूसरे के ऊपर ध्यान देना पसंद करते हो और आप एक साथ काफी चीजें करना पसंद कर सकते हो.
That's true.
So guys, अब हमारे quality time में there are two major important things in this.
And the first one is
focused attention.
अब फोकस्ड अटेंशन का मतलब ये नहीं है कि किसी को देखना और किसी की आंखों में डूब जाना और बस वो डूबे ही रहना और डूब के मर जाना, ऐसा नहीं है. ठीक है. फोकस्ड अटेंशन का मतलब होता है किसी के साथ क्वालिटी टाइम स्पेंड करना, किसी के साथ अगर इसको पसंद है जैसे कुछ करना, कुछ लिखना, है ना. सो मे बी आई शुड डू दैट विद हर. मे बी आई डोंट लाइक बट आई एम डूइंग इट फॉर हर, राइट. एंड फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मुझे पेंटिंग पसंद है सो शी कैन सिट विद मी एंड पेंट विद मी बिकॉज आई लाइक दैट. सो इसको बोलते हैं
focused attention.
Focused attention.
Focused attention means that you do things together, so that you can spend time together. Now these can be cycling हो सकता है, playing badminton हो सकता है, painting हो सकता है, driving हो सकता है, or just going out walking हो सकता है, jogging हो सकता है, just doing things together.
You guys should watch this video. This is a reality. That's what we do when we are not making videos or when we are having a weekend off. So that's what we do. Check out this video. बहुत समय बाद हमें एक साथ टाइम मिल रहा है क्योंकि निकिता की छुट्टी अभी हुई है ना, काफ़ी समय बाद. एंड अदरवाइज हम घर का काम करते रहते हैं, ये स्कूल जाती है एंड वी हैव अदर वर्क आल्सो, बट आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम वी आर एबल टू स्पेंड सम गुड टाइम टुगेदर.
या
क्या कर रहे हैं हम अभी?
हम बहुत समय से सोच रहे थे, वी हैड दीज wooden pieces and we wanted to write something down. We did this last year ना, हमने किया था अपने घर के लिए, and अभी वो दूसरे घर में, and we had some more of these left. We wanted to write some good words together, no? And spend some time together.
quality time together.
So what are you writing?
Well, मैं लिख रहा हूँ Romans 8:31. किसी को पता है क्या है Romans 8:31? If God is for us, who can be against us? That is Romans 8:31. What about you? What are you writing?
I am writing 2 Corinthians 5:7, and it says, I will walk by faith even when I cannot see. This is a verse which I can closely relate with. So that's what I'm writing.
That's good. That's good. So the second one is quality conversation. अभी quality conversation होता क्या है?
That you actually try to share your experiences, your thoughts, your feelings to your partner.
Yes. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि बाजार जा रहे हैं हम, होता तो नहीं है, पर अगर ऐसा हुआ कि भाई निकिता को कुछ लड़के देख रहे हैं, छेड़ रहे हैं, तो मैं घर आके क्या बोलूँगा कि मार देता मैं उनको, ऐसा कर देता मैं, वैसा कर देता. बट आई एम नॉट टेलिंग कि हाउ डिड आई फील, है ना. वी हाइड, स्पेशली मैन हाइड देयर फीलिंग्स. एक्सप्लेन हाउ डिड यू फील. आई फेल्ट जेलस, है ना. आई फेल्ट ऑकवर्ड, है ना. एंड आई वांटेड टू प्रोटेक्ट यू. And so we don't express, we express very little. So you should express. That is quality conversation. What do? Don't talk about me. ये कर देता, वो कर देता, वो फाड़ देता, वो खाड़ देता, ये कर देता. Express your feelings.
That's true. So quality conversation focuses on drawing each other out, listening to what your partner has to say about their stress, about their pressure, about the hurt that they're carrying, listening each other and also communicating without just starting to be judgmental or starting to give advice.
एक नॉर्मल इंसान 17 सेकंड तक सुन सकता है किसी की बात, और खास 17 सेकंड तो बहुत हो जाते हैं. कभी कभी हम 5 सेकंड भी सुन के हम अजम्पशन लगाते हैं, जज करते हैं और हम एडवाइस देने लगते हैं, है ना. बट ट्राई अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट एंड अंडरस्टैंड दिस दैट यू नीड टू स्टार्ट लिसनिंग टू योर स्पाउस. that comes under quality conversation.
True. So watch this video that we have prepared. We usually do this. हम अक्सर ऐसा करते थे जब हम बाहर कभी जाते हैं. We try to talk to each other rather than being busy on our phones. What are the 3 things that have changed for you after we got married?
3 things that have changed for me. I think first one is patience. Earlier I didn't have patience at all. But I think after marriage I did learn, or I think it's through marriage जो मैं सीखा कि patience को apply करना life में. And the second thing is I would say मैं इतनी जल्दी से सुनता नहीं था किसी की, पर शादी ने ये सिखा दिया कि सुनना पड़ता है. And if she's saying something, I need to listen to her. And even if she's telling me that that thing is right, that is not. Earlier I wouldn't take it from anyone. मैंने बोला है तो सही है. It's still there, but I'm working on it. And I think the third one is that I think the relationship, I would say, I have I mean, like I know the importance of relationship now. Earlier I was independent guy. I was only living for myself, but right now I know the value of relationship. So that is the third thing that I have learned after marriage.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah. I hope it's good. Yeah, I have a question for you as well.
Okay.
So what were the 2 hardest thing after marriage?
After we got married.
After we got married, yeah.
2 hard things. I think the first one would be managing time. That was pretty difficult for me. because earlier, like, you're living all by yourself, you're living with your family, and the whole time you have is for yourself. You think about yourself, you're more self-centered. And now it has changed. You have to give time to the other person, and you have to sacrifice your own personal time, which you don't really get after marriage. Yeah, so managing time would be the first one.
Okay.
And the second one, the second hardest thing after we got married was, I think, handling grief. Yeah, that was really tough on me, because I think it had been only 4 months that we had been married for, and then right after 4 months, Dad passed away, and that was very hard on both of us actually. Yeah, so handling grief, and it's just, you're newly married, you're working on your relationship, and you're working to know each other, and suddenly this, this drastic event happens, and it takes away everything. Like, yeah, that was hard to handle. What is the best memory that you have after we got married?
Okay, the best memory that I have is, there are a lot actually, because every day it creates a memory. Every day itself is a memory. And I still remember we went out in December to Shimla.
Yeah.
And it was after a very long time that we could have time for ourselves. Otherwise, we didn't have time for ourselves like for 3 or 4 months, right? And after 3-4 months, it was only us together. So that was an awesome time. After a long time, we were able to, focus on each other. We were able to, enjoy each other's company. And yeah, I don't have to be jealous because she's totally with me now. So that was the best memory. One of the best memory, I would say. Yeah. Okay. शादी से पहले जो आपका मीनिंग था लाइफ का, वो कुछ और होगा, पर अब जब आप लाइफ को देखते हो तो अब क्या मीनिंग आता है? शादी के बाद से आपका मीनिंग लाइफ के लिए चेंज हुआ है क्या?
Yes, I think शादी के बाद लाइफ का मीनिंग चेंज हुआ है. And previously it was more like self-centered. Life is all about me being loved, me being cared for, and everything else revolves around me, right? Because my family taking care of me looking for a job, me looking for a good opportunity or something else. Like, it was all self-centered. Now after marriage, life badal gayi. It is your spouse centered. Okay, what does he like? Does he like this or not? Should we go out or not? Where should we look for a job, or whatever it is? It's like both of us together. Now it has to be like, it revolves around both of us, not just me. And that's a big change. And I think, like, earlier I used to think that I need to go and help, and I need to go and do something for others, and work for others and work for betterment and development. But now, right after marriage, I think, like, ministering the closest person you have, and the closest person is my spouse. If I can minister to my spouse, I can minister to my family. That is the biggest thing in life that I can do. My first priority is my family, my spouse.
So in this session, our topic was quality time. क्या आपकी लव लैंग्वेज क्वालिटी टाइम?
तो अगर आपने ये वीडियो देखी है, you'll be able to identify that if your spouse often complains about you not spending enough time with her or him, you can actually make it happen, and you can watch this video and do stuff together so that you can express your love for your spouse.
बहुत से समय वाइफ की कंप्लेन होती है कि तुम आते नहीं हो जल्दी, तुम उधर ही रहते हो, तुम घर तो आ जाया करो, मैं अकेली बैठी रहती हूँ. जब वो कंप्लेन कर रही है, उसकी कंप्लेन में एक एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि तुम घर आओ और मुझे क्वालिटी टाइम दो. शी इज हंग्री फॉर क्वालिटी टाइम, एंड यू गाइस नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and also forward it. You can share it to your friends whom you think might benefit from this.
Yes.
Have a good day.
Take care, guys.